And today we're going to be checking out the SYMA X440 DIY drone. That's right, this is a little beginner drone that you actually get to build yourself and then actually go outside and fly it and learn how to fly drones and just have a good time. What we need to do first is we're going to go ahead, we're going to bring the camera down, we're going to unbox this and take a closer look. And then after we show you how to put it together, then we're going to go outside and actually fly it. So let's get into it. Alright, so here it is. Some quick specs. It's the X440. It's an RC drone. Got a 3.7 400 mAh battery. It's 275 by 275 millimeters. The remote control will take 4 AAA batteries, not included, and it works in a 2.4 gigahertz band. You have auto takeoff and landing, 360-degree rotation with flip stunts, 6-axis gyro, flashlight LED lights, works on 2.4 gigahertz and has a self-hover function. Alright, so in the box is 2 boxes. We'll start with the smaller box. And check this out. That's the actual drone itself. Let's see what's in box number 2. Now this is not a camera drone. This is just like a remote controlled vehicle, just something that you're going to fly around and learn how to fly and just have a good time with. So if you're looking for a camera drone, this is not it. But if you're interested in building drones and kind of learning how they go together and learning how to fly drones, then this could be the drone for you. All right, so we're going to see what's in these little baggies here. These are prop guards, and they give you more than you need. Looks like 2 full sets. That's in case you're flying around people or indoors. You're less likely to damage someone or something. In this little bag right here, you're going to get the screwdriver. You have some props. You have the little prop caps. You have extra screws. You have the charge cord. Don't lose this charge cord. This is a special charger. It's not like a USB-C or anything. It's actually like a small jack. And you're going to get extra prop screws as well. So let's go ahead. I want to show you how this thing goes together. And then we're going to go outside and fly it. Now when we open the drone itself, you can see that you have your arms. These are little brush motors in here. So you're going to have all 4 arms. You're going to have this little battery. That's your battery. And then this is the actual heart of the drone. This is where your flight controller and all that stuff is. Now if you look on this right here, you can see how it's labeled. You have A1, A2, B1, B2. And if you look on the arms, like this arm is B2, so it's going to go in the B2 slot. And to assemble it, you would just take and put B2 into B2 and snap it in. A1 into A1, just like that. A2 into A2 and B1 into B1. Now it's very critical that you get these correct because these are right hand and left hand propellers. So each one has to spin a specific way. And then here's your battery. You just charge your battery up, and then after it's charged up, and you can see there's a battery pre-installed as well. So you are going to get 2 batteries, just like that. So you do get 2 batteries. When you go to install your battery, on this side right here, you can see those little tabs that are sticking up. That's different than all the other tabs, and you have where the tabs go on the battery. So you just line that up, snap it in, and your battery's installed. Now, if you need to break this drone back down to put it back in a backpack and carry it, you have these little push buttons on here. You just push it and pull the arms out, just like that. And then you can pack this back up nice and compact, and it's not going to take any room at all. To install your prop guards, you have a little opening right here on the end of the arm, and you just simply slide that in and snap it, and your prop guard is installed. Just that simple to put this drone together. So I'm going to go ahead, charge up the batteries, and then we're going to take it outside for a test flight. Okay, so here we are. We made it outside to test fly. The battery is fully charged. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this in the air. We're going to kind of buzz it around and feel it out a little bit. And then we're going to do a couple flips and spins to see how well this little quadcopter is going to fly for you. So let's go ahead and check that out. We're going to power it up on a flat surface and turn the controller on. Then you push the rocker on the left side up and down. It is now bound. Let's go ahead and take off. too bad. Doing good. So far, so good. Let's go ahead and try a flip. Nice. Now you can flip in any direction. You just hold the flip button and then push the direction you want to flip while holding the button down. But what's crazy about this one is you can also flip at a diagonal. Let's go ahead and try that. Pretty cool. Try another flip. I'm going to do a front flip, back flip, left flip, left flip, right flip. Very controllable. You do have two speeds. You have a low and a high. I'm going to go out and fly around this palm tree. Very controllable. It's going to be a great beginner drone for somebody to learn how to fly. Hovers nicely, seems to hold altitude pretty well. And yeah, just a nice little flyer. It's a real windy day. I would not recommend flying outside. There's a little breeze like what we have today. You'll be just fine. Lifting. Now, I don't know if you can see it. I'll bring it in closer. You can see all the LEDs on it. The red LEDs are the front. The white LEDs are the back. Pretty cool. You can see I'm running the prop guard. So if I bump into stuff, it should be okay. Alright, we're going to try the automatic land feature. That works. Now it should also be the same button for automatic takeoff. That works too. So everything works great. It's a nice, stable little drone. It has decent power. It can move itself around. It's got the stun flip that we can do all day long and impress your friends. They don't have to know it's built into the remote. And it's going to be excellent for teaching you how to fly drones in general, because pretty much all drones fly the same. And if you can learn to fly one like this that's not controlled by GPS, and you can see I'm even flying this one one-handed, you're not going to have any trouble whatsoever with a GPS drone. So what do you think about the SYMA X440 DIY drone? It's really cool that you can put it together yourself. It's very easy to fly. It does the flips, it does the automatic spins, automatic takeoff, and automatic landing. It has the prop guards. It's super light. Because it's under 250 grams, you don't have to register it or get a license or permission. You can just fly it anywhere. It's a great little toy that's going to teach you how a real drone flies, and you're going to have a lot of fun doing it. I hope this video helps, and thanks for watching.